Hello everyone, in today's video we will see how we can move a location of our pivot table. So we already have a pivot table here, but I want to move this from E to N. The easiest way is I can either uh, control X, that is cut, and I can paste it here, or there's another way is you can always copy this and you can go to pivot table analyze, and then you can go and hit move pivot table, and it will ask you if you want to do it in a new worksheet or you want to do an existing. So if I want to do it at K3, I will just select here as sheet K3, and it should move the table from here to here. As you can see, the table just got moved. You can also select a different worksheet if you want. So for example, if I create a new worksheet here, let's suppose sheet 3 here, and I want to move this to sheet 3, I will go to the pivot table analyze, and I will go to move table, and I will go to an existing worksheet. But in this case, I will go to sheet 3 and I will find a location, let's say B2, and I will select OK. So as you can see, our table has been moved from sheet 1. There is no table here. So the table got moved from sheet 1 to sheet 3. So again, the two simplest way to do is the first one is to control X, copy or cut and paste it to the new sheet, or you can use the pivot table analyze and just use the move pivot table. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to the channel.